Welcome to this tutorial on CloudFront Origins. In this video, we'll explore how to configure origins for Amazon CloudFront, focusing on both S3 and custom origins. Understanding origins is fundamental to building efficient content delivery networks on AWS. An origin is the source location where CloudFront retrieves content to serve to viewers. Think of it as the master copy of your files. The origin stores the original version of your objects, whether they're images, videos, or web pages. CloudFront then caches this content from the origin at edge locations around the world. This approach reduces the load on your origin server and dramatically improves delivery speed to end users. CloudFront supports two main types of origins. The first is an S3 origin, which is an Amazon S3 bucket configured as the content source. This is ideal for static content like images, videos, and downloadable files. The second type is a custom origin, which can be any HTTP server such as an EC2 instance, an application load balancer, or even a web server running outside of AWS. When configuring an S3 origin, you start by specifying the S3 bucket domain name as your origin. For security, you should use Origin Access Control, or OAC, to restrict direct access to the S3 bucket, ensuring users can only access content through CloudFront. You can also configure an origin path if you want CloudFront to pull content from a specific folder within your bucket. Additionally, you have the option to add custom headers that CloudFront will forward to S3 with each request. Origin Access Control is a security feature that ensures users can only access your S3 content through CloudFront, not directly from the bucket URL. It prevents unauthorized direct access to your S3 bucket URLs, protecting your content. OAC uses AWS Signature version 4 for authentication, which provides strong security. To implement this, you'll need to update your S3 bucket policy to explicitly allow CloudFront to access the bucket on behalf of users. For custom origins, the configuration is more flexible. You specify the domain name or IP address of your HTTP server as the origin. You can configure whether CloudFront should use HTTP or HTTPS protocol when connecting to your origin. The default ports are 80 for HTTP and 443 for HTTPS, but you can customize these if needed. You also define origin timeout settings, which control how long CloudFront waits for a response, and keep alive settings, which determine how long connections stay open. Let's look at the most common types of custom origins. An EC2 instance running a web server is a popular choice for dynamic content. A load balancer, such as an application load balancer or network load balancer, can distribute traffic across multiple backend servers. You can also use an on-premises server, which is an external HTTP server running outside of AWS. Finally, API Gateway is often used as a custom origin for REST or HTTP APIs. There are several key settings you should understand when configuring origins. Origin Path allows you to prepend a path to all requests sent to the origin, useful for organizing content in subdirectories. Origin Protocol Policy determines whether CloudFront uses HTTP only, HTTPS only, or matches the viewer's protocol when connecting to your origin. Custom headers let you add specific headers to origin requests, which can be useful for authentication or routing. Finally, connection settings control the timeout duration and keep alive duration for origin connections, affecting performance and reliability.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.